Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to talk about the, maybe you will say which modifier, which modifier. I will talk about this time about this is the best modifier. I like it, yani. I like it to use it. It's wireframe modifier. Let's put a cube here, and one by one I'll show you each usefulness of this. Let me put this one here, x-axis, and let me bring a cylinder to here, and let me bring the churros maybe, and let's bring this monkey. Let's start with the cube. Let's go to the wireframe. Where is it? We will see. Where is it? Okay. I forgot the place, man. Where is it? Wireframe. Where is this? Wireframe. Oh my gosh, I forgot. Oh my gosh, it's here. It has been 30 seconds. I'm wanting to see the wireframe. I can't find it. I said, oh my god, it was here. I'm going to click on it, and you can see something like this. Maybe you'll say, Blender man, what's this? I'll show you. Wait. We can change the thickness of it, and we can change the offset of it. Okay, like this. And you can put a boundary. This will not be helpful right now. Replace original. It's like this. It will replace it with the original one. And we have relative. Okay, something like this, or crease the edges. Let's see if you can zoom. Let's put this one here, and let's go to crease the edges. Will be for the future lectures. Okay, not right now. Let's go to wireframe. Something like this. I like this one. Oh man. Let's give Control 1. I give it subdivision modifier. Let me see this one if I can. Something like this. Let me see if I can put a wireframe for this. Yeah, I like this one. Something like this. Control 1. If we give Control 1. Oh man. See. Let's go to wireframe. Again, it's like this. Control 1. What will happen? Oh my gosh, it's very nice. Let's go to the sphere. Yeah, I kinda like it. Ooh. Yeah. Let me see this one, please. Can we see this? Yeah, you can. Let me. And let's make this one like a cage. This one is like a cage. Man, I like this cage. Cage. How can I focus on this? Maybe you'll say. You will press point or punctuation mark. Punct, I think. Point on the numpad, and it will bring you to this and focuses on it. Okay, something like this, and Control 2. You see, that's wireframe modifier. I hope it was helpful, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.